Hello, my name is Shajib Dashubo and I'm gonna talk about some interview question answer. So the first given question is, tell me about yourself. Answer: well, I am a junior web developer with over a year of experience with fast technology. In my short time there, I have already contributed to more than 3 major practice projects and also processed an excellent eye for design while making those projects. Prior on these roles, I have done some research on UX design so that I can understand deeply how user experience works. And by using my UX knowledge, I develop all of my projects. And currently, I am studying at National University with economics subject. Though my academic subject is not related to my career, but being so passionate and I'm passionate about programming and solving problems while building any project, I enjoy it a lot. I take my work as a web developer seriously, and that means I always ensure my skills are kept up to date within this rapidly changing industry. The second given question is, tell me about your best project. Answer: I designed and developed many projects. Among them, Cards is my best project where I have worked 4 days. Cards is a full stack responsive project for card parts manufacturers, where I have used Stripe for card payment method, Mailgun for email notification, and MongoDB for storing all data. I developed an admin portal to manage all orders, manage all products, and make an admin. Also, developed a user portal to make their profile, orders, and make comments. One interesting thing that happened here is that while implementing the JOT token, I was facing some unknown errors that make my token was expiring for some reason. And here is the fun part began. As I always love to work with problems and never feel disappointed to solve problems, I spent 8 hours doing some Google research and finally found out that I have done some wrong in token expiration time. Then I solved it and finally made my best project till now. The third question is, why should we hire you? Answer: I believe that my experience with technology, specifically in web design space, make me best match for this position. If you hire me as your junior web developer, I assure you I will fit into your team quickly. I will always put the commercial needs for your business at the forefront of everything I do, and the work I carry out will be consistent for the first class standard. The fourth question is, what is your salary expectation? Answer: honestly speaking, at the stage of my career, I am more focused on learning in a competitive environment to establish my career and doing more projects on large scale for providing a positive impact. And I am sure you guys will provide me a competitive salary. I feel that monthly salary between 25,000 to 30,000 is in line with my industry average and reflects my skill level well. I am, however, flexible and open to hearing about the company's compensation expectation for this position. The fifth question is, do you have any questions for us? Answer: yes, of course. Thanks for asking this question. My first question is, if I were hired for this role, what would you want me to achieve in my first 2 months? My second question is, what mechanisms are placed for performance reviews? And when would I receive my formal evaluation? Third question is, how does your company make sure that employees are learning and getting updated with new technologies? My fourth question is, we know that there are many technologies to work with this sector. Then, why did your company choose to work with React.js? That's all. Thanks for your patiently hearing.